Section 4.2, One-Step Addition and Subtraction. It is very important that for addition and subtraction that you pay attention to the number of decimal places that each number has. Example, compute 4.5 plus 0.7. Notice that both of these numbers have one digit after the decimal point. Because of that, we can do the calculation directly without any changes. 4.5 plus 0.7 is equal to 5.2. This is very much like doing 45 plus 7. Example, compute 3.85 minus 0.3. We can see that these two numbers have a different number of digits after the decimal point. So we will first rewrite them so that they have the same number, 3.85 minus 0.30. Now there are two digits to the right of the decimal point, and so we can do the calculation. 3.85 minus 0.30 is 3.55. Again, this is very much like doing 385 minus 30. Example, compute 2.4 minus 0.06. We want two digits to the right of the decimal point in both values. 240 minus 6 is 234, so the final answer will be 2.34. Example, compute 3.78 minus negative 0.04. Subtraction means addition of the opposite, and we've done this many times before. 3.78 plus 0.04, which is 3.82. Section 4.2, Two-Step Addition and Subtraction. These calculations follow the form of the previous two-step calculations. There's really nothing new going on here. Example, compute 4.51 plus 0.38. We're going to rewrite this as 4.51 plus 0.30 plus 0.08. Again, it's a two-step addition problem. We're going to break apart the second number into parts that are easy to add, and then we're going to write everything with the correct number of decimal places. 4.51 plus 0.30 is 4.81. We still have to add the 0.08, which is 4.89. Example, compute 3.12 minus 1.9. First thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite everything with the same number of decimal places, and then we're going to break apart the second number, and then do the calculation. 3.12 minus 1.00 is 2.12. 2.12 minus 0.90 is 1.22. Example, compute 2.1 minus 0.72. 2.1 minus 0.72. Again, make sure we have the right number of digits after the decimal point. Break apart the second number. Do the subtraction. Section 4.4, Practice with Negatives and Decimals. This section takes the ideas we had with negative integers and extends it to decimals. Basically, the ideas we've already developed can be applied to decimals in the exact same way as we applied them to integers. Example, compute 0.3 minus 1. We will first write everything with the correct number of decimals. 0.3 minus 1.0. We can think of this calculation as 3 minus 10. What is 3 minus 10? That's negative 7. So the answer will be negative 0.7. Example, compute 2.5 minus 4.7. This already has the correct number of digits after the decimal point, So we can think of the calculation 25 minus 47. 25 minus 47 will go to the right 25, and 47 to the left will be to the left of 0, so the answer will be negative something. How far past 0 have we gone? 22 places, so the answer will be negative 2.2. Example, compute negative 2.8 minus 1.1. Negative number, and then we subtract, that's to the left and to the left again, so it will be even further to the left. This will be negative 3.9.